Farmers in the lower Rio Grande Valley are discovering a way to conserve water and increase irrigation efficiencies and profits with a readily available technology, surge valve irrigation.
We can water more with less manpower, saving us money, making us more efficient, and even increasing the productivity of our crops.
Researchers for the Texas Project for Ag Water Efficiency, or Texas AW, have demonstrated that surge valve irrigation can have a major impact on water savings over traditional irrigation methods.
Traditionally, when you furrow irrigate sugarcane, we put on approximately 6 inches of water at every irrigation. With the surge, we're hoping to cut that back to 3 or 4 inches.
Funded by the Texas Water Development Board, Texas AW studies show a range of savings in various crops.
In our row crops, we have seen a 20 to 30% savings in water applied.
And that's significant because in the lower Rio Grande Valley, rain alone cannot provide for all of agriculture's needs. That additional water must come from one or both of 2 finite sources.
Our irrigation water in this area comes from well water, underground water, and also from the Rio Grande River.
It's important to increase the efficiency of the systems because water is a limited resource. In some places it's expensive to pump this water, the energy is expensive, and in others there's not enough water to irrigate the crops.
Surge valve irrigation helps save water over traditional furrow flooding by alternating and controlling the flow of water to first one and then the other half of a field being irrigated.
Each time comes to change this valve, energize the motor, changes the butterfly plate inside that valve, and divert the water to the other side of the field.
Automated solar-powered timing allows a measured amount of water to seal the top layer of soil in between rows so that on the next flow cycle, water can move efficiently down the furrow without being lost to additional soil saturation. And, as a bonus, there is less runoff at the end of the furrow, commonly known as tailwater.
We raise cotton, corn, grain sorghum, and sugarcane on a rotational basis down here on this farm.
AW studies show that sugarcane benefited the most from surge irrigation, using 52% less water. Cotton produced savings of 22 to 31% in 2 separate studies, and there was a 28% savings with seed corn.
Some crops, they benefit better with surge irrigation because they have shallow root systems. In that, when you have that, you have to advance the water faster in the furrow and have less infiltration.
And surge valve irrigation helps avoid oversaturation in any one spot by rapidly moving water down each furrow. While there is a front-end expense of a little more than $2,000 for each surge valve and meter, the savings and water conservation will become more and more important during drought and increased future competition for scarce water resources.
Conservation is very essential to our operation because our irrigation water is our most valuable resource, and therefore we need to conserve our water. Not only are farmers using the water, but municipalities are using our irrigation water. As time goes by, we'll need to increase our productivity on the farm to feed the people in the cities.
And one of the key technologies that will enable greater efficiency in the lower Rio Grande Valley is surge irrigation. The Ag Water Efficiency Program's research has proven it, and farmers who have tried it know it works.
To learn more about the Texas Project for Ag Water Efficiency, visit texasawe.org.